me. She my pretty young thing, and I do anything for her. I love you, ay, pretty young thing. You need some loving from a real one. I wanna love you, ay, pretty young thing. You need some loving, and I'm a real one. Hold up, what's up? What's your name? I should've asked the verse before, don't throw shade. A lot of girls do too much for that fame, but I can get to know you just from your page.
Hey everybody, I'm back again. Don't know how long it's probably been since my last video, but I just have really bad problems uploading. My computer is entirely too slow, and I bought it specifically for YouTube. My computer's too slow. My Wi-Fi is like, if I upload a video, it's gonna take eons. Like, Jesus will come back before it finishes uploading. So I'm gonna have to try to take it to like McDonald's or somewhere else and try to see if I can get some free Wi-Fi to upload somewhere other than here. So, into this tutorial. This is gonna be, I don't know, a lot. So I'm doing a photo shoot today, a 90s style photo shoot. This is kind of gonna be like a get ready with me, and I'm gonna bring you to the photo shoot. So I might split it into two, like the hair and the makeup together maybe, and then bring you with me. So kind of like the last video, kind of can do this with, but I don't know. It might have only kind of worked for me because my hair was kind of used to being in a ponytail. So when I had got out the shower, it was kind of like it was going into this easily. So what I'm gonna do is, I can't even make a perfect part right here. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I gotta turn this music off. It's just doing too much. So, like I said, from the last video, I noticed that you can do this style, kind of dripping wet, but I still don't recommend it. So I washed my hair and I conditioned it. I never washed any conditioner on my hair, but like I kind of rinsed a little bit of it out. So I split my hair, parted it in half off camera, and so now I'm just coming in to detangle again. And I always recommend the dimming brush. I've been using this since before I big chopped the second time. I don't really like to call it a big chop. I like to just call it a haircut. But my hair isn't very curly. Well, it never was very curly, and I feel like since I've used the dimming brush all the time since my hair's been short, and I feel like it makes my curl pattern a lot more coily and curly, and I feel like it's kind of trained my curl pattern to be curlier, way curlier than what it was when, wow, me and brushes, bro, this is why I'll be wanting to go, oh man, this don't, shit like that should not happen. It's always a problem with a brush. If you want to slick it back. I've actually never done this before, but I want to. I really like Ciara. Got to be, you can use whatever you want to use, but I use Got to Be because my hair is just stubborn, and this will literally wear off in days. Break out the scrunchies because these have been hidden from myself for so long. See, now it was wetter than my last ponytail video and it still stayed pretty slick. So I give them that. And I just kind of put it in a little knot. Okay, time for the next one. Well, let me fix this a little bit. We'll swoop it, and it need more hella hairspray. You know how I feel about hairspray. Now the fun part. Oh, let's zoom in. See, baby, yeah. Why I look so bad up close? Okay, it's the baby hair. So, because of this Demon brush I bought, I just so happened to get a two of these with the Demon brush I bought. I put the link to the Demon brush I just got. I just got that Demon brush. My other one, the rose, was falling out. I've had it for a while. So it came with these two. Happy about that. And y'all know I usually got to be, again, when it comes to my baby hair, I love how I lay my baby hair, I won't lie. So I'll just put it on the edges. Just put a little. I've been loving my baby hair lately. I've never been like a baby hair person to do baby hair, and since I've been doing these ponytails, cause I just have so much baby hair. Like baby hair just always been a, I don't know, I understand it's a phenomenon now, but it's just always been just my hair. So I just never, I don't know how baby hair got so big, but I haven't used the brush yet. But lately I've been using my comb to do my baby hair, and so I'm gonna keep doing that. But let me use this comb to fix these bald spots right here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep using the comb because so far that's just how I know to do it. Damn, my baby hair like, nope, it's not moving today, huh? So since my baby hair don't want to be stubborn, I'm gonna go get some water. It might have just a tad too much gel on it. Not really, but there we go. That'll make it move a little bit more. So I'll just come here and okay, I'm just leaving like, boom, time for the ponytail. So I showed my ponytail in the last video. I ordered two more. I ordered two more for this look today. This one's actually kind of somewhat losing its perfectness, but I don't mind it because it still looks real. No matter how bad it looks real. So I ordered some more. I feel like mine didn't come in this box last time, but maybe it did. But I don't know, it says Bureau. I don't know. Literally the only person selling this on Amazon Prime. The same. I guess it is the same. The color just looks a little grayer on this to me, and this looks more brown. But it's okay, it is what it is. And it seems like this puff ball is huge. Either my other one isn't this big, or this bitch is huge. It seemed like a full ponytail. Like, I feel like this one's bigger. Guess I just like, I don't know. Mine does have a drawstring on it, but this one is a lot bigger. So, but it also costs more this time, and it also, the color is definitely a little different. But we're gonna see how this looks. I'm gonna say now, if it ain't no combs on the inside. Okay. Just what we were going for. Put the combs in. Where's the drawstring? I lost it. Okay. Easiest way, hold the drawstring in one and put both of the combs in with the other. pull. I'm gonna go and wrap it around. That's one. We're gonna fix the shape in a second. Oh. And then the other. Oh, damn, I didn't even open those one here. I sleep rather just keep the one I have on though, because I don't know. I wonder what I did to this. Maybe this did look like this at one point. Damn, I actually think I got an idea for these puff balls. Now, usually, I would cut it to fit on my head, which I kind of still do want to cut this part. But, instead of cutting it, what I'm going to do is go get some bobby pins. I'm going to just use some bobby pins instead of cutting the whole thing, because I actually do like how full they are, that they are fuller than the other ones I have, but I just don't like, well, for this look, they're too big. So what we're gonna do is get some, I hate every bobby pin. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna give me some bobby pins and I'm just gonna tuck what I don't want. So like the middle, in order to make the middle more visible, I'm gonna just move this. I'm just gonna move this in the middle, turn it a different way, and then just bobby pin it. Let's see, the middle it is. Just pick up this piece here, turn it, bobby pin under here. Let's see, like that. Now I just want my puff to be a little smaller. So all this hair right here, I'm just gonna, I don't know, turn it this way maybe. Bobby pin it here. Another pin. See, let me show it. Guess it'll do. Well, that made it smaller. And then this one, let's see. Oh my password reset. I basically had just, let me see, I'm gonna pull some of these because I don't like them. If I had to guess though, something is telling me that maybe somebody returned this one and didn't like it. It just so happens that it didn't really help me for this look because I needed my curls to damn near be the same. But it doesn't really matter because the less they look the same, honestly, the better. The more it really looks. So I'm just trying to figure out how to get the puff how I want it. Here. Puff balls. I like this one. I'm trying to see which one I like better. Puff I think I'm gonna just keep them how they are for now. And I'm just do my makeup and come back and just show you like the things look. I know it looks really big, but I kind of do need it big and dramatic. So I'm gonna do my makeup just to make sure it's not just me. I just feel like it is too puff off. So this is the second part of the get ready with me. Puff ball's done. Now usually if I was anybody else, I would have just put this on. I just Lord, I can't talk. I'm a little busy today, but usually I would have put a I would have put a scarf on it, but I'm a little busy today, so I don't have time to do it. And I have somewhere to be in the next 40 minutes. So I'm gonna go straight to the makeup portion of this video.